I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play We Three Kings on piano. We'll start by focusing on the melody with your right hand, using single notes to keep it simple. This easy method is perfect for beginners, allowing you to quickly grasp the tune. We'll explore the notes in the key of E minor, making sure you feel comfortable and confident as you learn this classic carol. Let's get started. Now let's focus on your right hand for the melody. You'll start with the note B, which is just above middle C. From there, you'll play a descending pattern: B, A, G, F sharp, and then E. Try to use your thumb on B, then your second finger on A, and so on for a natural hand position. This will help you play smoothly and accurately as you learn the main theme of the song. Once you're comfortable with the right hand melody, we can add a simple left hand accompaniment. For the first part of the song, you'll play an E minor chord. This consists of the notes E, G, and B. Just hold this chord while your right hand plays the melody. Then for the next phrase, switch to an A minor chord using A, C, and E. This creates a rich, full sound without complex movements. To truly master We Three Kings, remember to practice slowly and deliberately. Focus on hitting each note correctly before trying to increase your speed. Listening to different versions of the song can also help you understand its rhythm and phrasing, making your performance more musical. And hey, while you're making your life better with music, why not make your car better too? Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.